Minimum payments do not get you out of debt fast. They mostly keep your account alive while interest keeps eating your money. That is why someone can pay a credit card every month and still feel broke years later. This is financial thinking, where we break down personal finance with real numbers, practical steps, and zero hype. Today, you will learn why minimum payments keep people stuck, how the math works, and what to do instead. First, understand the interest trap. Federal Reserve data showed credit card accounts assessed interest averaged 21.52% in February 2026. That is expensive debt. Here's what most people get wrong. They look at the minimum payment, not the interest rate. If you owe $5,000 at 22% interest, that is about 1.83% per month. In 1 month, 1.83% of $5,000 is about $92. So if your minimum payment is $150, around $92 goes to interest, and only about $58 lowers the balance. You paid $150, but the debt barely moved. That is the trap. The action step is simple. Open your credit card statement and find the APR. If it is above 15%, treat it as urgent. Second, minimum payments waste time. The CFPB says making only the minimum payment can take years to pay off a credit card. Let's use Jason. Jason has $5,000 in credit card debt at 22% interest. If he pays $150 per month, it could take more than 4 years and cost thousands in interest. But if he pays $300 per month, he can cut the payoff time heavily and save a lot of interest. Same debt. Same card. Different payment. This is where the math gets uncomfortable. Minimum payments feel easier today, but they make your future more expensive. Third, minimum payments create fake progress. You see the payment leave your bank account, so it feels like you are handling the debt. But if most of the payment goes to interest, you are mostly paying to stay stuck. The New York Fed reported total U.S. household debt reached $18.8 trillion in the first quarter of 2026. Debt is common. But staying trapped in high-interest debt is not normal. It is expensive. Pause and think about this. Credit card companies do not need you to miss payments to make money. They can make money when you pay on time, if you only pay the minimum and carry a balance. Fourth, stop adding new charges. Let's use Lisa. Lisa has $3,000 in credit card debt at 24% interest. If she pays $250 per month and adds no new purchases, she can make real progress. But if she keeps adding $100 per month in new spending, the plan breaks. Paying debt while creating new debt is not a payoff plan. It is a loop. The action step is simple. Stop using the card until the balance is under control. Pay minimums on all debts, then attack one card with every extra dollar. Avoid these mistakes. Do not pay only the minimum while still using the card. Do not ignore the APR. Do not chase credit card rewards while paying interest. Do not treat available credit like extra money. And do not spread extra payments randomly across every debt. Here is the simple plan. Build a small emergency fund first. Stop new charges. Pay minimums on every debt. Put extra money toward one target card. Once that card is paid off, roll the payment into the next card. The key takeaway is simple. Minimum payments keep you broke because they protect the lender more than they protect you. They keep you current, but they do not get you free fast. Comment your credit card APR below, and I'll tell you if your debt should be treated as urgent. Subscribe to Financial Thinking for daily, no hype finance breakdowns.